So hey YouTube family, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are doing extremely well. So friends, in this particular video I will discuss 20 most important and frequently asked MCQs of unit number 2, which is fundamental of DC circuit of subject code ECE249. So if you guys have not gone through the videos of unit number 1, in which I have discussed 20 most important MCQs of unit number 1, which was the fundamental of DC circuit, so you can go through the playlist where you will find that videos, and otherwise you can go to the description box also. I have provided the link of the same. Without wasting any time, let's proceed with the first question, which is in an AC circuit, the direction of current and voltage periodically reverse. This type of current is known as what? Option number A, direct current. Option number B, pulsating current. Option number C, alternating current. And option number D is steady state current. Correct option is option number C, which is alternating current. Next question is, the amplitude of an AC signal is defined as what? The highest point of the waveform, the frequency of the signal, or the time period of a signal. And last option is the total energy of the signal, and the correct option is option number A, which is highest point of the waveform. Third number question, what does the RMS value of an AC signal represent? Option number A, the highest value of the signal. Option number B, the average value of the signal. Option number C, the effective or equivalent DC value of the signal. And the last option is the phase angle of the signal. And the correct option is option number C, which is the effective or equivalent DC value of the signal. Next question, in an RL circuit, what type of component is the R, which is resistor or reactor or relay, and last option is regulator. Correct option of this question is option number A, which is resistor. Next question, in an RC circuit, what type of component is the C? Is it capacitor, or is it conductor, or is it contractor or counter? Correct option is option number A, which is capacitor. Sixth number question, which type of circuit contains both resistance and capacitance component? RL circuit, RC circuit, RLC circuit, or LC circuit? Correct option is RLC circuit. Okay. Next question, how is power calculated in an RL circuit? Option number A, P is equal to V square by R. Option number B, I square by R. Option number C, P is equal to V into I. And last option is P is equal to V by I. And the correct option of this question is option number B, which is P is equal to I square into R. Okay. Next question, what type of device is a transformer primarily used for in electrical circuit? Option number A, voltage regulation. Option number B, current regulation. Second last option is power generation, and last option is signal amplification, sorry. And the correct option is voltage regulation. Next question, what is the principle behind the operation of a transformer? Option number A, Ohm's law. Option number B, Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Next option is Newton's third law, and last option is Hooke's laws. And the correct option is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. 10th number question. But before proceeding to the 10th number question, please share these videos in your class group and do subscribe the channel. It really motivates me to make such videos. Okay. 10th number question is, in a transformer, the turn ratio is defined as what? The number of primary turns divided by the number of secondary turns. It's a very important question. In fact, all these 60 questions which I am discussing now are important. Do not miss any one of the question. B number option, the number of secondary turns divided by the number of primary turns. Option number C, the number of turns in the primary coil. And last option is the number of turns in the secondary coil. And the correct option is option number A, which is the number of primary turns divided by the number of secondary turns. Next question, instrument transformer are used to what? measure voltage and current in high voltage circuit. Option number B, generate electrical signals. Option number C, control the frequency of AC circuit. And last option is convert DC voltage to AC voltage. Correct option is measure voltage and current in high voltage circuit. 12th number question. What is the primary purpose of an auto transformer? Option number A is step up or step down voltage. Option number B, measure current in a circuit. Option number C, generate alternating current. And last option is regulate resistance in a circuit. Correct option is option number A, which is a step up or a step down voltage. Next question. The most common frequency for AC power distribution in most countries is 50 Hz, 60 Hz, 25 Hz or 75 Hz. Correct option is 50 Hz. Next question. What is the formula to calculate power in an AC circuit with both resistance R and reactance X? Option number A, P is equal to V square by R. Option number B, P is equal to VI. Option number C, P is equal to I square into Z. And last option is P is equal to I square into X. And the correct option is option number C, which is P is equal to I square into Z. Next question. In an AC circuit, the phase angle is measured of the frequency of the signal, the time period of the signal, the time shift between voltage and current waveforms, and the last option is the amplitude of the signal. Correct option is the time shift between voltage and current waveform. Next question. In an RLC circuit, resonance occurs when the resistance is zero, the inductance is maximum, or the capacitance is minimum, or the impedance is at its minimum value. Correct option is last option is the correct option. The impedance is at its minimum value. Next question. In a power distribution system, what is the typical voltage level of an instrument transformer secondary winding? Option number A, very high voltage. Option number B, medium voltage. Option number C, low voltage. And last option is extra low voltage. Correct option is low voltage. 18th number question. An auto transformer differs from a traditional transformer in that it has only one winding with the tap, operates at a fixed frequency, or it is only used in AC circuit, or it is more efficient. And the correct option is it has only one winding with the tap. Second last question. Which parameter determines the efficiency of a transformer? Option number A, voltage ratio. Option number B, turn ratio. Second last option, power factor. And last option is iron core material. And the correct option is power factor. And the last question is the phase angle of a purely resistive AC circuit is 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree or 180 degree. Correct option is 0 degree. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching the videos. If you guys have enjoyed watching the videos, please do not forget to hit the like button and do subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye guys.